Hi friends, this is very crucial time for all of us as we all are struggling with COVID-19 which has become a pandemic with a big loss of human lives. So here I bring a video on COVID-19 to provide you some useful information on it. It's a deadly virus. Now a pandemic has affected almost 206 countries and territories across the world with lakhs of corona patients. It has ended thousands of lives across the world, which is a great loss to human mankind and is still spiking. What are the symptoms of corona? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, dry cough. Virus seems to start with fever followed by a dry cough and then after a week leads to shortness of breath. People with fever, cough and difficulty in breathing must seek medical attention. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat or diarrhea. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems or diabetes are more likely to develop serious illness. How COVID-19 spreads? It spreads either by person to person or it spreads from contact with contaminated surfaces or objects. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. When these droplets land on objects and surfaces around the person, other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces and then touching their eyes, nose or mouth. Now, what is incubation period of COVID-19? First of all, let us understand what is incubation period. The incubation period means the time between catching the virus and beginning to have symptoms of the disease. Most estimates of the incubation period for COVID-19 range from 1 to 14 days, or most commonly around 5 days. What are the precautions and preventive measures for COVID-19? As there is no specific medicine to prevent or treat coronavirus disease. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. But we should take following precautions to protect ourselves from this deadly infectious virus. First of all, we should wash our hands frequently. Washing our hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub kills viruses that may be on your hands. Second is we have to maintain social distance. It means we have to maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance between ourselves and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. We should avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick. Next is you have to practice respiratory hygiene. Means you have to cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately. Next is cover your face with mask and sanitize your hands with alcohol-based sanitizers. If you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask if you are taking care of a person with suspected 2019 COVID infection. Wear a mask if you are coughing or sneezing. Masks are effective only when used in combination with frequent hand cleaning with alcohol-based hand rub or soap with water. Last but not the least, stay at home if not necessary to go outside and maintain social distance as these practices will necessarily help in breaking the COVID-19 chain. What are the myths regarding COVID-19? Exposing yourself to the sun or to temperatures higher than 25 Celsius degrees does not prevent the coronavirus disease. You can recover from the coronavirus disease catching the new coronavirus does not mean you will have it for life. Drinking alcohol does not protect you against COVID-19 and can be dangerous. Garlic is a healthy food that may have some antimicrobial properties. However, there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic has protected people from the new coronavirus. The new coronavirus is a virus, and therefore antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. Thank you friends for being so thoughtful. Stay home, stay safe, and please subscribe our channel for more videos and press like button. Thank you.